This video is a quick tutorial on installing VirtualBox and a Kali Linux virtual machine. First, we'll need to download the installer for VirtualBox and the image for our Kali Linux machine. For VirtualBox, go to virtualbox.org and select the platform package for your operating system and download the installer. Kali Linux is a Linux distribution created by Offensive Security, and the image can be downloaded from their website. We'll be downloading a 32-bit image for VirtualBox. To install VirtualBox, simply run the installer, click Next again. At this point, you can choose to create shortcuts and register file associations, and click Next. Follow the prompts and click Install on the final window. Once the installation is complete, click Finish, and now we can proceed to installing Kali. Locate the Kali download, right-click, and go to Open with VirtualBox. If you choose to register file associations, you should be able to just double-click on the icon. Click Import on the bottom of the dialog box and wait for Kali to be imported. When Kali is finished importing, we need to go to Settings and go to System. Here we will allocate memory to the machine. I recommend 1024 megabytes as a minimum. From here, we can close Settings, press Start, and wait for it to load. The default login credentials for recent distributions have both the username and password as Kali, all lowercase K-A-L-I. And that's it. You now have a Kali Linux virtual machine installed on VirtualBox.